All right, what's cracking, people? Quick update on the Peterbilt restoration that we have going on. So we had to order special batteries for this truck because it's got gel batteries under the seat. So we waited for those to come in. We have them. They go under the seat there, right there. We have them. We have the filters. We're going to change the oil, change all the fluids in it before we try to start it. We talked to the fabricator about the box. He feels like it's a savable item, which obviously we're trying to get this back to original condition. So we want to save the dump box on the body. So it is in rough condition, but he's fairly certain that he can fix this 100% and get it so that it's in acceptable condition. So next week we're going to be getting this running, see if we can move it around the yard, and the fabricator is hopefully going to start working on the box. So that's where we're at with this. It's going to take a long time, but we're going to get it back to original condition. So stay along for the ride. It'll be a slow ride, but it'll be a good one by the end. All right, I've had a few people ask me, why are we restoring this truck? Why are we trying to get it back to original condition? It seems like kind of an odd purchase if you follow us, because obviously most of our trucks are new. And that's normally where we go when we need things. But this truck is more of a personal thing and less of a company item. This was my friend's truck who passed away over 10 years ago. And we had an opportunity to buy it. So off the guy who's had it for the last 10 or 12 years. And so we bought it, and we are going to restore it back to how it was when my buddy had it. We're going to put it all back together. I used to drive it for him back in the day. Andrew, that drives our Blue International, drove it for him as well. So we're going to put it back to the way it was. We're going to fix it up. It is was an awesome truck then. It is still an awesome truck. And it's nice to remember our friend and put it back to the way it was when he had it. So that is the story why we have a 2007 Peterbilt mixed in with all of our 2025 Kenworths and 2022 International and all the different, most of the trucks. This is the story of why we have this one. So we're going to put it back and then we're going to drive it and use it. So, but anyways, follow along for the journey. That is the story of why we are restoring this truck and why it's important to bring it back to the original condition of 2007.